all, this is Rudro and you're listening me at Rudro Studio. Let's unlock the beast mode of HRX MTB 1500 cycle. This mean machine has the best in class saddle cushion seats. It has got 21 speed Shimano gears with massive chains. This SIF shifter will help in getting the gear down. This Shimano 7 front gear system is worth for the cost. Presenting all new carbon fiber body with Saigon front lever shifter. The buttery smooth front and back suspension makes it completely out of the box. Shimano TZ gear shifter, classic color and classic impression will impress your happiness. Do like, share and subscribe, turn on the notifications, stay tuned and keep watching my YouTube channel. Yeah!